right, so we wish to find the algebraic sum, basically reduce this as much as possible. So, since I'm dealing with square roots, I'm going to be trying to find perfect squares under these radicals, right? So I know that 125 is the same as 25 times 5, right? Because 25 is a perfect square, and then 25 times 5 is 125, minus 1 half. And then a perfect square out of 45 is, I know 45 is the same as 9 times 5, where 9 is going to be my perfect square, minus 3 over 4. And then I know 180, I can get 9 times 20, where 9 is my perfect square there, right? So remember rules of radicals. I can separate this. This is the same as the square root of 25 times the square root of 5 minus 1 half times the square root of 9 times the square root of 5, and then minus 3/4 times the square root of 9 times the square root of. So for 20, instead of writing 20, I can write 5 times 4, right? Okay, so here, I know the square root of 25 is 5, so I'll have 5 square roots of 5 minus 1 half, and then the square root of 9 is 3, and then minus 3/4, square root of 9 is 3, and then I can rewrite this as the square root of 5 times the square root of 4, and notice 4 is another perfect square, right? So this is equal to, so 5 square roots of 5, and then minus, so 1 half times 3 is 3 halves, square root of 5, and then minus 3/4 times 3 is 9/4, and then the square root of 4, I can just rewrite that as 2, and then I'm left with the square root of 5, right? Okay, so I'm just going to find that what's going to be my common denominator here. So 5 square root of 5 minus 3 over 2 square root of 5. And then 9 over 4 times 2, 2 over 4, that turns into minus 9 over 2 square root of 5. So I can see that I need to rewrite this 5 as something over 2, right? Well, 5 is the same thing as 10 over 2, right? Minus 3 halves, square root of 5, and then minus 9 halves, square root of 5. And then the square root of 5 is just an irrational number, so now all of these are like terms, right? Because they all have a square root of 5 in them. So I have 10 over 2 minus 3 halves. That's going to be 7 halves. And then 7 halves minus 9 halves would be negative 2 over 2, right? Square root of 5. And then, of course, 2 over 2 is just 1. So this is the same thing as negative square root of 5. And that is the algebraic sum of this expression, or just this expression simplified as much as possible.